Now, here we have a question in which the length and breadth of the rectangle is given. The length is given 40 and the breadth is given 22, and then it is converted to a square. The same rectangle is bent and reshaped in the form of a square, which means that the boundary length of the rectangle and square is same. Now, there are two parts to the question. The first part is find out the side of the square, and then we have to find out area of the square. So, first thing is to find out the perimeter of the rectangle. Now, to find the perimeter of the rectangle, as discussed, we are going to use the formula of perimeter of a rectangle, that is 2 bracket L plus B. So, here we get 2 bracket L plus B. So, this implies 2 into length is 40 and the breadth is 22. So, 40 plus 22 we get 62. 62 into 2 we are going to get 124 centimeter. So, we can say the perimeter of the rectangle is 124. If the perimeter of the rectangle is 124, the perimeter of the square will also be 124. The reason being, we are making the same rectangle and then reshaping it into a square. That means the total boundary length or the total length of the wire that is used to make the two figures is same. Therefore, if 124 is the perimeter of the rectangle, we can say perimeter of square is also 124. And if the perimeter of the square is 124, we can say its side will be 124 divided by 4, because there are 4 sides in a square and all the 4 sides are equal. So, if the total boundary length is 124, each side will be 124 upon 4. So, that implies 4, 3, 12 and 1. So, we get 31 centimeter. So, we have solved the first part of the question, that the side of the square was unknown and we have found out the side of the square as 31 centimeter. Now, we have to find the area of the square, and area, the formula is side square for a square. So, 31 square has to be found out. So, 31 square means we are going to multiply 31 with 31. So, we get 1 into 1, 1, 1 into 3 is 3, 0, 3 ones are 3 and 3 into 3 is 9. So, we are going to get 961. So, the area of this square will be 961 meter square. Here we have another question based on rectangles. The length is unknown to us, the breadth is given 30 and the perimeter is given 130 centimeter. We have to find out the area of this rectangle. Now, the area of the rectangle can only be found out if we know the length, because area of a rectangle is length multiplied by the breadth. Now, since the length is unknown, the first part of the question we have to find out the length by using the formula for perimeter, because the perimeter is given to us. So, we can say perimeter of a rectangle is 2 bracket L plus B, perimeter is 130, this will be twice of length is unknown, so L plus the value of breadth is given, so I am going to put the value of breadth as 30. Now, we are going to open the brackets. Here we get 130 equal to 2L and 2 into 30 becomes 60. Now, this 60 will be transferred to the left side. When we transfer to the left side, we get 130 minus 60, because this is plus 60. When I transfer, the sign will change, is equal to twice of L. Now, 130 minus 60, we are going to get 70. So, 70 equal to 2L, therefore, L will become 70 upon 2, therefore, the length is 35 centimeter. So, we have found out the length as 35. Now, once we find out the length, the breadth is already given to us. So, area can be found now by using the formula L multiplied by B. So, length we have found out as 35. We are going to substitute the value of L as 35 as obtained here, and the value of the breadth is 30. So, we are going to get the area here 35 into 30, this is 0, 5 3s are 15, 3 into 3 is 9 plus 1 10. So, we are going to get 1050 and the unit will be centimeter square.